Hey guys, I had just posted a video showing that Avenged Sevenfold made a post on their Instagram and also on their website showing 9 puzzle pieces that are clearly for Black Ops 4 zombies. We know that Avenged Sevenfold made a song for Black Ops 4, and then we found out it was for zombies during a GameStop managers convention. They played it along with a trailer. This preview was exclusive just to the GameStop managers, and it looks like they're about to release it to the public. Avenged Sevenfold titled this post on Instagram #Mad as a Hatter, and everybody's thinking, yeah, this is definitely the name of the new zombie song, and you can see some of these puzzle pieces clearly depict zombies. I put them all together and only 2 pieces fit, and there's clearly a lot missing, and in the last video I said get ready for more to drop. I was assuming it would be from Avenged Sevenfold and we still might get some more from them, but Treyarch on their Instagram also posted 9 puzzle pieces. And this just happened moments ago, and they also hashtagged it Mad as a Hatter. These 9 puzzle pieces don't really give too much away, and you don't really see what's going on, other than you can tell it's Avenged Sevenfold, and then there's also some wording below their logo. Now that we've seen 18 pieces of this puzzle, you can see that, yeah, there's definitely a zombie being attacked, and it kind of looks like it could be a gladiator. The style of armor definitely looks like that era. We see more of that gold styled lettering that's at the bottom, and I'll show you guys what all 18 pieces look like put together. The 2 pieces in the middle that fit together were the ones from Avenged Sevenfold, and we got a top right corner piece from Treyarch, and the bottom right there, we're starting to kind of fill in. You can see almost Avenged Sevenfold. Underneath the Avenged Sevenfold logo, there's some words, and based on what they hashtag, which is Mad as a Hatter, I think this could say just Mad Hatter. That definitely looks like it's the end of a D, and then there's some spacing for a new word, and it looks like it's probably an H. And then all the way to the far right, that definitely looks like it could be part of an R. So even though they used the popular phrase Mad as a Hatter, it doesn't look like that's what's at the bottom right here. It looks like it's probably just Mad Hatter, and that's the name of the song. And clearly we would need at least 20 more pieces of this puzzle to actually put it together, and I doubt they're going to be spamming puzzle pieces all over their websites and Instagrams. So it looks like the next reveal is going to be the full image and hopefully this trailer and song. But I will keep digging and checking out what's going on their social medias, and I will keep you guys updated. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.